Hello everyone, this is Dr. Raymond Rofi with Blue Sky Bio. In this video sequence, I want to show you how to do a restoration, one crown, over a natural abutment or on top of an implant restoration with a solid abutment. And you took an intraoral scan or a stone model and you scan it, and now you have a digital model and you have a very well-defined margin. So this wizard will yield us a 6 steps to create a perfect restoration in this module. So for this, we have now the first step, which is creating a margin. In order for us to create a margin, we will zoom in and look for a whole perspective of our margin, and we need to set up a solid point that we define. Okay, here will be our initial point. We'll press and hold our shift key in our keyboard, and then with the left mouse button we will be starting and then clicking in isolated points. I always choose to do or recommend to do long areas, and the software will try to attach to the abrupt changes in the angles of the margin. So this should be a really quick step. So now, before I close the margin, you can add points if you want to by selecting. If you just pass your cursor, it will change up to yellow, and then you can just press and hold the shift key and left mouse button, and it will create one more node. If you want to delete a node, you can pass your cursor and then hold the control button in your keyboard and then left mouse click, and it will disappear that node. Okay, it's very common to want to do like a lot of nodes in order to be precise, but the software has an algorithm that will definitely um, detect all the abrupt changes in the angulation. So you don't really need to do a lot of points. Okay, so for example, maybe here I can add one more, here another point, and then just follow our margin line. Then for the last point, and to join the line together, we'll just join the last point with the first point, and it will yield us a perfect line on top of our restoration. Okay, then we can look for the areas where we need to define or we need to make refinements. In order for this, we need to zoom in and have a very good perspective, and then hold shift, and with the left mouse button we will draw this, and the software will magnetically attach the line to our margin. Okay, we can follow the margin and place it right at the point where we know that it's our preparation. Okay, good. So once that we've marked our margin and we're happy with this, then we can proceed to the next step, which will be setting the insertion axis of our restoration within our preparation. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and please let us know of any comments. Bye bye.